Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at creating a presentation using AI, using the Gamma app. So make sure you sign up. I'm going to go ahead and log in. You can see ones I've created in the past. Today we're going to take a look at creating a new one with AI. And when you select that, we're going to import a file in this example. I'm going to upload or import from Google Drive. And this one's going to be a recap, you can see here, of some of the greatest Super Bowls in NFL history, especially number 6. And we're going to create a presentation. Let's go ahead and select continue. And we're gonna, let's just keep it, let's make 10 cards, continue again. Scroll up a little bit for the theme in this example. We're just gonna go ahead and just select generate. Okay, so here it is, some of the greatest Super Bowls in NFL history. It's just taking that information and putting it directly into a presentation with images. Of course, you can go back and edit those images, but you can see how this is all set up nicely here. Of course, you probably want to use that background for the Steelers game there, but you can see it go ahead through. Now, in this example there, with the Eagles, had a picture of Jalen Hurts. So just a reminder that not everything that's going to come up is going to be perfect. This is actually sadly, from the Eagles' loss. So you may want to go back in and just add, so you can just remove, and then you can go ahead and you can see how you could add an image. So once you select that image, you can go into all of these in here, and then you want to select something like the Philly Special with Nick Foles. So pretty amazing to see that right there. And then you can go home and you can see all the ones you have created. So you can see it right in here, as well as ones I created about the best World Series games in history. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.